salamat sa inyo. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I-join ko na lang yung acknowledgement ko doon sa naunang nagsalita. Kapag sa ganun ay parang meron din nalimutan. Siguro baka nalimutan si Abasolong. Good afternoon to one and all. Today marks a significant and emotional milestone. Not just the culminations of the Bangsamoro Camps transformation project, but the reaffirmations of our commitment to peace, justice, and meaningful development in the Bangsamoro. As a member of the project board and the Morris Land Liberation Front, I speak not only from a position of leadership, but from the heart of our collective journey. The 6 acknowledged MLF camps, once front lines of our struggle, are now emerging as a center of hope, self-reliance, and progress. This transformation reflects the true spirit of the normalization track under the comprehensive agreement on the Bangsamoro, turning the conflict into cooperation and resistance into reconstruction. We acknowledge the deep respect and gratitude the peace implementing panels of the government of the Philippines and the MLF for their unwavering guidance throughout this process. Your leaderships continue to light the path forward in the challenging yet vital chapter of our peace journey. We also extend our sincere appreciation to the World Bank, whose support and development expertise made this project possible. Your partnership has translated hope into concrete progress on the ground, and we look forward to continuing this collaboration as we move towards the next phase. We also recognize and appreciate the tireless work of the BDA and the SFSI. Your dedication, professionalism, and deep community engagement have been critical in bringing the projects to life. As we look ahead, we do so with renewed energy and high hopes for a BCTP2. With the lesson learned, the relationship built, and a strong foundation laid, we will sustain the momentum of peace and transformation. For all stakeholders, beneficiaries, brothers and sisters in the Bangsamoro, this achievement belongs to you. Let this culmination remind us all that real peace is not merely the absence of war, but the presence of opportunity, dignity, and development for every tomorrow, every community. May we continue to work in the path of peace and development. Mabuhay ang Bangsamoro, mabuhay ang kapayapaan. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Mabuhay. Maraming salamat, Sir MP Ali Osali. May